My name is SN, and today I'm back with another episode where the job is to basically modify the logo once again. So on my screen, you can see Shape Hands logo. So this is one of my clients' logo, and they actually want this white part with this white color to be changed to a different color. All right. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to examine uh, the logo, like the how the logo is, what files are actually carrying the colors, like how the previous designer actually made the design. We need to first see that. So the very first thing that we need to do is click every layer. So this is the word mark layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the opacity to 0, and then I'm going to lock this layer because we actually do not need this layer, this logo, sorry, this word mark, because the color will be remaining the same on that. The same for the subtitle of the brand, of the title of the brand as well. I'm gonna lock that too. Now coming to the logo here, we can see that the designer has actually uh, this is one layer probably, and this is another, the black one, and the white one is this. But if you look over here, this doesn't have any fill color, so something is actually wrong with this. So we need to figure out what's going on, then we can fix from there, right? So let's work on the white one specifically, because this is the color that they want us to change. And okay, so there's an option for release clipping mask. Let's do that and see what's happening. So here you can see, so what the designer actually did is basically this is an image, and he just clipped mask on top of an image, right? So I don't know why did he do that instead of just creating a shape. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm not gonna release the mask. I'm going to go inside of it, and then from there, I am going to remove that like this, right? And create a new shape. Now this is a solid shape in which I think I can change the color to make the white into a different color. Easy as peasy, right? So the client actually wants the white to be on a different color. Let me get the color code, which I did. So this is one color that they want, more like a cream sort of a color. And another one is this, probably. So this is another color. Okay, this is a slight deeper version of the color that the one. So yeah, this is pretty much it. What I think is that the client actually struggled with changing the color because of the like inside the mask, instead of having a shape, the previous designer actually had an image, and obviously it's not possible to change the color of an image, right, unless it's PS, or you gotta do a lot of things. So what I did instead is just deleted that image, and then created a new shape and give it a fill color. Now the client can easily change it to whichever color they want. So slight other changes needed, because here, as you can see, here you can see is there are some slight other white parts. So here the previous designer did the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing that we did before and give it a fill. Now it has the same color, and the client can later on change the color to whichever color they prefer. So just to show what I mean, if I click here and then I release the mask, you'll see that there is a solid color now, which can be changed to any colors, right? And let's unlock the layers, right? And click there and then increase the brightness. And you can see here is our logo with the new colors. Thank you very much for watching. Take care till the next video. Bye.